Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, we're going to draw a shamrock. That's right, we're going to draw a shamrock, and we're going to write something special on it. And then after you get where it's easy, then you can make more than one and give them to your special someone. All right, so we're going to get your piece of paper, and you're going to use a pencil. It's very important that you use a pencil first. And we're going to turn our paper vertical, up and down, vertical, and very easy to do. Okay, so we're going to start out with a circle. I want you to just draw a circle the best you can. Good circle, because we're going to erase that circle. So you don't have to make it real dark. Okay, so we're going to start from there. And we're going to kind of make hearts, but they're going to be fat or wide. All right? And so we're going to start here, and we're going to make it come around to our heart, to our circle. Got that? Or a smiley face, kind of. Now then, from here, we're going to make another one and make it come around to our circle. Then we're going to come to this side, and we're going to make it come down to our circle and make another one right here. Okay? And then we're going to make another one over here. Like so. And then we're going to take a little spot here, and we're going to make our stem. All right. Now, when you have your shamrock, you may have to do this one around like this. This one come down like this. That's why you can use a pencil so that you can erase it. And then you're going to take your eraser, and you are going to erase away your circle. And now you have a shamrock. Now, when you get your pencil or your, after you've erased it, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to wait to put your name on it, okay? Because that's going to be later, because you will get to use your scissors and cut this out very carefully and slowly. And remember, when you cut, the bottom stays still, and you use your other hand to move your paper so that only this hand moves the scissors up and down. This hand moves the paper, okay? So after you get this, and if you've got green paper, it's great that you've done it on green paper, all right? If you don't have green paper, you can use your crayon, and you can turn it on its side, and it's okay if you get out of the lines, because you are going to cut it out, okay? So you're going to take your Sharpie, and you're going to trace. Remember, it's very slow. Trace, very slow. If you don't want to use a green Sharpie or a black Sharpie, and you just want to use your dark green crayon, you can actually trace with the dark green and then color the inside lighter than your trace. That's a good option. All right. After you get it done, you are going to write 1-O-N-E, one, lucky, L-U-C-K-Y. And then you can put anybody here you want. One lucky teacher, one lucky mom, one lucky dad, one lucky Nani, one lucky Lolly, one lucky grandma. You can just do whatever you want. That's why if you do this and you do a good job, maybe you can make a second one or a third one, and then you can always give it to that person. You like that idea? Yeah. So go ahead and you can color it green if you don't have green paper. And then do one lucky whoever. One lucky teacher, one lucky grandma, one lucky grandpa, one lucky friend. Yeah. So you can always write on it. And that's one, that's O-N-E, and we're spelling it. Got that? If you liked your drawing today, go ahead. Don't forget. Give it a thumbs up so I know. And then you can take a picture and share yours and share it in our comments so I can see your drawing and how did you do. And so I can see who you put there. I hope you have a great day. But remember, when you write in there, you use your best handwriting so it's readable, so people can read it. All right, so remember to use your best handwriting, and you can use your Sharpie to write that in there, but you might want to write it on a piece of paper first so that you practice. All right, have a great day. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share Cindy's Corner with your friends and colleagues. Most important, give somebody a hug and tell them you love them. Have a great day from Cindy's Corner.